Hey guys, we're gonna watch crazy puddles that come for the rain. God dang! Whoa! Oh, and the water over the streets and get here. What? No. No way! This is gonna be impossible. That is the child's pool, and this is the teenagers' pool and adults, and this is the toddler's pool. And there is a slide onto the stage, and sit down and go on here. And if you're a child, go on here.